Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. As I promised you, after 100 subscribers, I'll start the interior design classes online, complete free interior design classes, and you will gain a lot of knowledge. I'll teach you almost how I'll try to teach you at the level of schools, but as you won't be having studios here, I might miss on few practical aspects, and also things I won't be teaching you in this complete interior design tutorial series is about I won't be teaching you softwares because I have to make another entire lesson plan for that. So currently we'll deal with all these theory related things and how designer thinks and things a designer should know, all these kind of stuffs regarding interior design. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, and at least I'll be doing one video in a week for your interior design classes, like tutorials. You can learn complete interior designing course with me, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. But before that, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys just don't do that, and you guys have so many of your stuffs. Come on guys, we'll make a community and we'll learn from each other. So let's start with what is interior design. So I have made an entire video. Please go and check out my channel. This one will be of complete your learn interior design with me sort of thing. I'll make different playlists for this, and there is one more playlist for interior designers. Please go and check out that. I'll be uploading few videos in that also, and it will help you a lot. Here I'll be taking classes by classes, so this will be a different playlist. So please subscribe and get notified whenever the next class will come. I'm saying I'll upload one video a week, but it might happen that I might upload more videos sometimes, and you won't be knowing. Okay, so it will help you understand better. As beginning, we'll start with this. As I won't be teaching anything on CAD, please try please keep on making the notes, and rather than that, keep a square book with like square guided book with you, square book which is set, and in that I'll be showing you drawings, and it will help you to redraw it or understand it. Okay, and basically interior design is art of planning comfortable indoor spaces that are good looking as well. This is my definition of interior design, that is comfortable, functional and good looking. These are the main aesthetics. Okay, comfort and function comes before the looks part of it. Okay, to be comfortable in indoors. Then things we'll be studying in this entire course. So this one is introductory class, so I'll give you about all the layers we'll be studying. First, we'll be knowing about space planning by understanding things like anthropometry and all. Then we'll be learning design basics, like as I said you in many of my previous videos, that is like design styles and principles of designs, how graphic design is included in interior designing, and the rules are made to make it aesthetic and functional. Then you will learn about interior construction, that is the method of construction, because you need to understand it to tell to your vendors or to tell to people who will be working on it how the construction should be made. So you have to understand, because you will be getting a very core sort of plan, because interior, we are teaching complete interior design here, not just interior decoration. So you need to understand about flooring, ceiling and all these. Okay, then we'll understand services like plumbing services, electrical services, your heating and ventilation services. So all different sort of building services majorly related to interior, mainly plumbing and electrical, lighting, all these services are the major ones. Then we'll be understanding how to represent them, like when you design it, you have to draw in certain ways so that your people, craftsmen, carpenters who are working on it should understand like what kind of things they should use. Then furniture design, then one more thing left is, where is it? Oh, sorry. uh, okay, one more thing we'll be studying is all different sort of materials and products. Okay, because without understanding materials and products you won't be understand. And last but not the least is the furniture styles, because furniture styles and different stylings of it, like modular furniture, all you will be learning, because this is also one of the vastest part of the interior design. With this you will understand management skills and how to practice and all. Will try to make a portfolio as well. You will learn from very basic, what is a plan, section, elevation, all these things. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel. This was the introduction of your interior design course online. Complete interior design class I am giving you. It is very equivalent to what you get to learn in universities, what you get to learn in your schools. So if you can't afford them, or if you don't have any chance to go there, please learn with me. Please ask me questions. If you know more about it, please feel free to tell it in the comment section. And also please subscribe to the channel, guys, and we'll form a community. Okay, and a designer always learns. So even I'm constantly learning new things. So if you I'm happy to know about new things, and I'll try to integrate graphic design part in it. I'll try to integrate different sort of how you need to design for the modern days, because you will be having so many modern materials and smart gadgets and all. So all things will learn with our interior design classes. And please subscribe to the channel, and that's all. Please subscribe me, please help me grow.